Hi, Joy.
Hi.
Tell me, Joy, what do you know about pneumonia?
I know that pneumonia is an infection of the lungs that can be caused by virus, fungi, or bacteria.
Exactly. Streptococcus pneumoniae is the most common bacteria associated with pneumonia in children, and it can spread by sneezing or coughing.
Yes. Common symptoms include cough, difficulty in breathing, fever, and chest pain. Severe symptoms include rapid breathing, chest pain, or confusion. If a child shows these symptoms, you must go to see a doctor very quickly.
Hello?
But there are experts who know more than I do. Look!
So the Sustainable Development Goals have set this target of ending all preventable child deaths by the year 2030. But we know that nearly 1 million of those deaths in 2015 were caused by pneumonia. And pneumonia is something that ought to be pretty easily prevented and treated if we could change the circumstances in which those children are living.
Pneumonia is actually preventable and treatable. Adequate nutrition is key to improving children's natural defenses, starting with exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life. Immunization against different infectious causes of pneumonia, including pneumococcus, is the most effective way to prevent the disease. Currently, effective pneumococcal conjugate vaccines are available to protect your children from pneumonia caused by pneumococcus.
What else can we do to fight against it? Healthy food? Hygiene? Cover mouth with a tissue? Not share kitchen utensils? And get vaccinated.
Yes, like me when I was a baby.
That way, if a child comes into contact with the disease-causing bacteria, the immune system will be able to recognize them and immediately produce antibodies to fight against them. Protect your child against pneumonia. Talk to your doctor. Hello?
Please click like on this video and share it on your social networks to spread the message and protect thousands of children. Thank you, everyone.